Yeah, yeah, we on Power Plays Palace. Yo, 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 wake up. Welcome to Power Plays Palace, man. It's a beautiful Thursday morning, and we ain't gonna hold it up too long, man. Let's get to it. So our chart for yesterday was looking for a breakout long above 690 at the 689.99, and our entry at 690.05, topping off at 694. It is our entry area. With our target stop below 689.20, target 691, 691.80, 692.50. And on the put side, if we stalled out at the top, we was looking at an entry around 689.70, 690.10, with a stop above 691. Target 688.80, 688.34, and 687.83. And so let's see what we got yesterday, man. Alright, so yesterday, SPY do opens up right here around 690.19, pushes up here to 691.97, 692 area where it topped off at. Pulled back 690, came back up briefly here, you know, in the 691 area. Then it pulled back 690, and then it started to work its way up on a slow grind. And it slow grinded its way up, little consolidation here. Then it worked its way all the way up to 693. We ended the day, you know, right there at 693.06. So overall, if you followed the chart, then it was a pretty good day yesterday. If you just stuck to the calls, rolled them up, it actually beat all those targets. Nothing on the put side, but hey, man, you got to take what you can take when it comes to give it to you. So let's look at the chart for today. See what we're working with. All right, so for today, so the pre-market is trading between 692.38 and 693.72, and that's a little bit above yesterday's high, and that puts us in an area where we could see a breakout. You know, either the buyers step in and try to take over and keep pushing it up, trying to see 700, man. You know, like the members in our group say, we going to 700. I want to see 700. But that resistance key zone is going to be at 693.72 and above. And, you know, that support is going to sit right there at 692.38 down to 690.10. And if it break and hold above 693.72, that's probably a bullish continuation, no problem about it. That's what that is. And if we get below 692.38, then that's the area where you see a possible pullback. So so for today, if the buyers push through the pre-market high with some volume and hold above that VWAP, we'll be looking for entries between 693.80 and 694.20, with our stop going below 692.90. With our targets being 694.80, 695.50, and 696.80, and that's with the momentum and that little push up continuation based on you know the bullish continuation. The buyers come in and handle their business and get control. That's what we get. And then for the bears, if SPY pushing that 693.40, 693.72 range and stall out, that'll be the area where it could be some pullback with your stop above 694.60. With the targets being 692.80, 692.38, and 691.20, with a high probability right there for it to be short in that area if the buyers don't hold and push it up through there. So that's what we'll be looking at. We're going to wait till the 5 to 15 minutes. I do after open look at 15 minutes and then a 5-minute candle close in one of my areas, and then that way I can avoid, you know, getting in too early or you know, just making a bad trade overall. And you keep your stop loss real tight, man. You know, don't set that super wide stop loss, but make sure you watching, you know, your trade. and scale out of your targets when you meet those different levels. If you have a few contracts and you meet one of your levels, take that as a win. Get your money, man. You know, it's not financial advice, but I'm gonna tell you, you know, that's some general advice for a person who, if you're in a winning situation, there's nothing wrong with taking your win and, I just say, take your ball and go home. And remember, we're gonna be bullish above 693.72, and we're gonna be bearish below 692.38. And anything in between that area is probably gonna be some chop. But you want to see if it breaks and holds based on the candles you trade off of. If it does that, then you hold up and then you follow your trade mind and then do what you need to do. And so that's our trade for today. That's our plan. Stay disciplined. And remember, this is not financial advice. It's just, you know, some ideas from a person who trades. But as you go through and make your trade, stay disciplined, stay focused. Don't chase anything. The market will come back to you. Be patient and you know, and grow as a trader, man. A little bit, 1-2 wins at a time, turn into 3-4 wins at a time. And there you go. You're on your path to forever being profitable, you know. So let's have a good one today. Enjoy yourself and let's do our thing, man. You know, power plays.